Hello students. Welcome to DigiReach Learning, your trusted partner in academic success. Today, let's take a quick dive into the world of essay writing. Have you ever struggled with writing an essay introduction? You are not alone. Many students find this part challenging. This tutorial will guide you through creating a strong essay introduction. The end goal is to write an engaging introduction that captivates your readers. To start, focus on the first step: hook the reader. Use a surprising fact, thought-provoking question, relevant anecdote, or strong quote. Your opening line should immediately capture attention. For example, ask, "Did you know that nearly 60% of college students fear essay writing more than public speaking?" Next, provide context. After your hook, present background information. This helps frame your topic for the reader. Use essential keywords like how to start an introduction for an essay, for SEO purposes. Step 3 involves presenting your thesis statement. Your thesis is crucial. This helps frame your topic for the reader. For instance, you might state, "This essay argues that writing anxiety stems from a lack of structure, not ability." In step 4, preview your essay's structure. Briefly mention the main points you'll discuss. This approach prepares the reader for what's to come. For example, say, "We will explore writing anxiety causes, methods to overcome it, and the benefits of structured writing." Remember these pro tips for a great introduction. Maintain keyword prominence and keep your writing clear and concise. Aim for around 100 to 150 words in your introduction to remain impactful. Avoid common mistakes in essay introductions such as skipping your thesis or using vague statements. Ensure your introduction has a clear structure to support the rest of your essay. Finally, keep in mind that the introduction should be about 10 to 15% of your essay's total length. For a 1,000-word essay, this means 100 to 150 words in your introduction. Now you have the steps to craft a compelling essay introduction. Apply these techniques to enhance your writing and engage your audience effectively. Thanks for watching. Join us in exploring these transformative possibilities and engage with us today. Subscribe to DigiReach Learning. Follow us for more educational insights and support on your path to academic excellence.